Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Weihang. Today we'll be practicing the next 3 compound finals. Let's get started. The first one today. Yeah. It consists of 2 single finals, E and A. So when you pronounce the E sound, just simply move from E to A. Then you'll be able to get this sound. Yeah, let's give it a try. 谢 谢 咧 Good. The second one today. 约 It also consists of 2 single finals, U and A. So just try to simply combine them from U to A. 约 Let's give it a try. The first one. 略 For this one, you might get confused why the pinyin it looks like U rather than Yu. Actually, it's not a typo here. The pinyin rule it says when it comes to E and U together, we have to remove these 2 dots, and it looks like U, but the sound it still keeps as Yu. Okay, now let's give it a try. 月 Have you got that? Okay, now let's have a look at the third one today. When you pronounce the sound, please make sure this voice is from the back of the mouth rather than the front of the mouth. Like Let's give it a try. R. You might already notice that I pronounced R instead of for this sound. Actually, this is also a special one, which is number 2 in Mandarin. In daily life, we tend to call it R rather than because it's much easier to pronounce. And please be aware of that. Even the pinyin, it looks like but the sound is more like R. Okay, now let's have a quick review. Today we learned 3 compound finals. Ye, yue, Did you get that? That's all for today, and thanks for watching. Still, if you find this video helpful, please leave your comment below or give me a thumb up. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.